Hey Wallet Hubbers, today we're talking about the best collision insurance. The easiest way to find the best collision insurance is to check out WalletHub's latest picks for the top providers. We regularly compare the major insurance companies based on cost, claims processes, consumer reviews, and customer support. The best insurance is not one size fits all, however. To help you find the best collision insurance for your needs in particular, here are 3 tips to keep in mind while shopping. First, using WalletHub's list of the best collision insurance companies as a starting point, compare quotes from at least 3 insurers before you buy a policy. This will help to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. Take note of each company's customer ratings and WalletHub reviews too, as this will give you a better understanding of what each company is like. Second, choose your deductible carefully. Higher deductibles usually mean lower premiums, but you should only raise your deductible to an amount that you can afford to pay out of pocket if an accident happens. Third, only get collision insurance if you actually need it. Lenders and lessors generally require collision coverage, but if you own your own car outright and you could afford to replace it if it gets totaled, collision insurance may not be worth the cost. On the other hand, if you need your car and can't afford to buy a new one after an accident, collision insurance is definitely a good investment. Now that you know how to get the best collision insurance, you're ready to start shopping for a policy. To see WalletHub's picks for the best collision insurance companies, just click the button here.